Hey folks, welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. How's it going today? We are going to look at this Blood Angel's Death Company because I don't know if you're aware, on Wednesdays I do Warhammer Kitbashing Wednesday, and I am looking for a specific part for my kit bash of a Tech Marine, Blood Angel's Tech Marine. And what better to get some Blood Angel stuff is from a Blood Angel's Death Company, because why not have the Tech Marine a little deathy? So we're going to look at this Blood Angel's Death Company box here. So it's got 5 miniatures in it. Look like they all got jump packs, all that good stuff. It's got, check out what it's from. It's manufactured and made in the UK, which is always good. You got a nice color chart. You probably do some cool stuff with the new contrast stuff. Basically, this is what you get. Nice pictures of it painted. I always cut these out, keep them, so you can see the different painting styles. We got just normal stuff on the box, and that's about it. 12 and up, discover more, little QR code, go ahead and pop that off. So let us see what we got in the box. As I opened the box, took that plastic off, because sometimes that's annoying. So it's just going to be quick. Look at these. I just want to check out the sprues. We got some bases. Look like 32 mil. 5 bases. Yeah, they're 32 mil. So we got 2 sprues. I see some 2-part jump packs. Let's zoom in here. Let's see what we can do here. Right about there. So we got, we got 5 chain swords so far that I see. We got a thunder hammer, some plasma pistols, some flamers. I can't remember what that is. Nice backpacks. Oh, I like this backpack right here. Some nice stuff on these backpacks. I might use some of this. But here's what I wanted to see, these shoulder pads. Nice detail on all the shoulder pads there. So you can check out all that detail. So that might be a Milta pistol right there. So it's basically that sprue, and then this sprue. It looks like we're gonna get. You got 2 bolt pistols, 4 bolt pistols, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolt rifles. Looks like a power sword, a cool dagger, another shoulder pad. The rest of your jetpacks, it looks like all the jetpacks are slightly different. I like this symbol on this gun right here, this wing. That looks pretty cool. Might copy some of this iconography off of these jetpacks. And then you got the chest plates. Basically, you got your chest plates there. 5 guys, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heads to choose from. I was looking at this head, maybe a Tech Marine, a Tech Marini. So basically, I just want to show you this. Take a look at it. What the Death Company looks like. I said I opened the box. I didn't really look at the sprues. Now that I'm doing that kit bash, I just want to see what I can pull off of this sprue here and see what's going on. But the jet packs are nice. They have nice stuff. I could probably steal, and I like this separate wing right here. I could use that for something. Let's see if that comes into focus better. Yeah, that looks nice. I could use that for something. Power fist, that's awesome. So let's get some nice stuff in this kit. With this nice purity seal for what I might be using. So let's just see what's in the. Not much to the instructions. Let's back out. Not much to these instructions. Basically, chain swords, hand flamers. Oh, and furnace pistols. That's what they are. Doesn't even mention the plasma pistol. One dude with a thunder hammer. One guy with a bolt gun. And then you got a guy with the power sword and bolt pistol. And then power fist and bolt pistol. And then, yeah, that's weird that they don't have the plasma pistol on here. So yeah, you can see no plasma pistol. So not much to it, guys. Just simple 2-page instructions. You know, Blood Angels Death Company. You know, oh, that's what I wanted to see. Let's check out the date on the sprue. I'm always interested in the dates on the sprues. And there it is right there. Games Workshop 2009. So these are from 09, 10-year-old sprues. I mean, I'm not saying they were molded in 2009, but the mold's from 2009. So 10-year-old sprues. Mold anyways. And I'll tell you, they look pretty good. I mean, I'm not seeing a lot of... I mean, there's flash around the bodies here. There's a little bit of flash around these bodies here, but I don't see anything that's like crap. I mean, it's all good, pardon my language on that one, but I mean, everything looks molded good. See how they go together. I mean, I'm not really building a lot. I just found 2 more of those wings right there with the blood drop on it. Some more cool purity seals. So gonna do some cool stuff with this stuff. So we'll be looking at a couple more kits down the road here. Just gonna throw these videos out as just little 10-minute one-offs. Just a quick view of these so I can get an idea of what I might add to my Tech Marine. And you can watch those videos on Kitbash Wednesday or Warhammer Kitbashing Wednesday. Also, John Kessler I'm doing a collaboration on this Tech Marine where we're converting a resin kit to a plastic kit. You know, kit building a plastic kit of a resin kit. He's doing Commander Dante. I will put a link to his channel in the description. It's a fantastic channel. He does all kinds of great things. So check it out. Subscribe to his channel and, you know, tell him I sent you. For Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.